Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. My name is Manish Nag and I am a Linux specialist. Today I am going to show you how can you use the grep command. Grep command is a very special command in Linux file system. This command is used to view the specific words in a file, or it gives you a pattern of search in your Linux command system. So let me tell you how can I use the grep command. First let me show you a file which I recently made. The name of the file is fish. So it contains this is the contents of the file, which would be I'm showing you this contents because it will help you understanding the commands. So first of all, let me start with a basic command of grep and the word and then the file name. Sorry, fish. So you can see that it is showing you the files, the contents of the file, that there are two lines that contains the word Manish. If you want to count the number of lines which contains the word Manish, then you have to use -n. It is in line number 3 and line number 5 that contains the word Manish. It's also pulls out the lines with the word. So if you want to see if you have forgotten that you have written the word in capital or in the smaller, or I can rather say that is the word in uppercase or in the lowercase. If you forgot it, then you can use a flag that is -i. If you're using grep-i Manish, sorry, Manish is already in the smaller case. So let me use another example, that is hello. Now can you please check that hello is in the lowercase and also in the uppercase. The last line is in the uppercase. Now if you want to count the number of lines that contains the word, suppose let me go with the word Manish, and this is called the pipeline, which you can use to combine two or more commands together. So if you are using wc-l, then it will show you the number of lines that contains Manish. Now if you want to check that is it true or not, then you can use this one. Now see that Manish and hello Manish are only two lines that contains Manish word. So now let me go with another example. If you want to view the contents of the file without a word, then what command you should use? You must use the flag that is v, smaller v. Now see, it would not show you the lines or the word Manish. Without that, it will show you the other contents of the file. Now let me show you a real-time example of using this grep command. Let me first clear the screen. Okay. Now friends, let me just tell you at first what is this file. It is a password. Whenever a user is created, its contents goes into this file. These are the contents of the file, where you can see that there are several colons and there are several, it is a big line that contains some details of a user actually. So let me just give you a brief description of this command, of how you can use it. Let me find a user named Manish in this command. If I remember the username, then I can search with the grep command. See, this user is there. So Manish is the username that is in colored red, and then X is the encrypted format of password. Password file, etc password file generally shows you the X because the main password is in the encrypted format, is in the shadow file, that is in the etc shadow. and 1000 is the user ID, and the next 1000 is the group ID. And then home Manish is the name of the home folder that Manish username has, and bin bash is a shell you are using. Okay, so there are several many ways I've showed you how can you use this grep command. So it's a very special command, you can use it in different ways. So next time I will show you in my next video how can you use the find command and its different usages. So that's all for now, friends. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great day.